FOMC minutes, and then who's going to head the Fed. That's what we got this week.
Okay. Okay, so that's all we know. That's all we know. Okay, good morning, everybody. 11:22. Jesus. We'll just imagine that the Cowboys didn't play yesterday because it looked like they didn't play yesterday. Okay, that's all we know. Okay, interesting. SPX up 12. Do we get through this 4,700? Here's the other beauty of the market. Things that Sam says and does, this is the beauty of the market. If NVIDIA rips 50 points, and Tesla rips 200 points, and Amazon rips 200 points, and Roblox rips 100 points, and Shop rips 300 points, and the SPX is negative or even, that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Going up when the market isn't going up is great. Is great, okay? So know this, okay? SPX 47.21, 47.21, okay? NVIDIA, 337, 341, 352, 352, 371. Jesus, 400 is $1 trillion. Does it get there fast? How fast did Tesla get there when it got there, right? It just ran, okay? ASML, 862, 882. This one is mispriced right now. So, but add a week or two out there, okay? Add a week or two out there. Very, very straightforward. LRCX, 662. 662, then high of year, then it rips. They have news coming tomorrow. Let's see what happens, okay? Qualcomm, 188, 191. Rivian, they're selling it again. We had it. It was running. Now they're selling it. They didn't say anything. That's a problem, okay? This needs to take out 142, okay? Roblox, this one looks like 141, 149. Amazon, all about 37.72. Way up there, 37.72. If and when it gets through there, it looks like a gapper. Lucid, 56. MDB back on the screen again. MDB back on the screen. This looks like 601. NOW back on the screen again. Looks like 709. He's not going to get into these till they get going. Snowman, all about 401. Airbnb breaking down 191, 187. Shopalicious. I think this one is going to gap, and I think this one gets to 1750 in the first half hour. Wow, 1750 in the first half hour. Okay, interesting. TTD, 111, 116. UPST needs a 30-point update, and it needs to hold, and it needs a second day. If that happens, it will have a third and fourth day. But till it does, don't force a trade. Affirm, working lower. Great earnings working lower is not good. Moderna, this one looks strong. This one sure looks like 282, 291. Google-icious, can't seem to get over 3010. And then there's Tesla. And then there's Tesla. And there's Tesla. Think about it. 5 to 30. We're going to end up with 5 to 30 on these. Jesus. Sam should have just bought 500 of them and been happy. Oh, well. Okay. Then we see. Nothing really matters on Tesla till 1203. But a lot of rumors. So if all these rumors about 12.9 and the split, and this is a split, and it's coming, and who knows? No idea. But let me tell you, if he splits this stock, it's $1,500 in 2 days. It is. So place your bets. That's what we know. Fed announcement coming today. White House will announce whether it will be Powell for the second term. Let's see. Don't know. BKNG reversal today. Don't know. But travel, BKNG didn't do well. It didn't continue to go. There's talk of a Tesla phone. Okay. I have this saying of, if you're going to be great in anything, do what you do well. Okay? Do what you do well. I mean, If you tell me Dak is going to start becoming a running quarterback, he doesn't do that well, okay? So it's not going to work. Do what you do well, okay? A Tesla phone, worthless. Nobody's bought a Tesla phone, okay? Interesting. Google's so close to a breakup. We'll see. Rivian Ford not jointly developing. So there's a thing out there. This is very interesting. And I was going to retweet it, but I said, I don't want people to know this. There's too many dumb people out there. So Dahmer bought $50 million worth of Tesla, 10% of Tesla, initially. So they own 10% of Tesla, Dahmer Chrysler. It went to $1 billion from $50 million. So they sold it. They're like, we can do everything Tesla can do, and we can do it better. So they sold it. And now it's $1 trillion. So at 10% of it, Dahmer Chrysler would be worth $100 billion if they held Tesla stock. Wow. Well, but the stock's not, their whole company is not worth that today. Absolutely. Think about it. So now you go to Ford and Rivian. And Ford is such a stupid company, too. Another stupid company. They own, 12%, I believe, of Rivian. I don't care if Rivian goes to 200 billion. You don't sell it because they are better than you. The problem with legacy companies like Ford is you get stupid people, old people, and I'm old too. You get people in a room and they say, oh, we have this factory. So you have this factory and you have all this stuff and you've created this assembly lines and stuff. Most of them say, I don't want to rip it out. It's like your house. If your house has been designed one way, a lot of people say, well, this is okay. I can keep this. If you rip up the whole house or you build a new one, it's easier and it's faster and it's cheaper to do the new one than it is to rip up your old one. You got to rip it up, make sure the pipes, everything are right, all this stuff, and you move forward. And this is why Adam Jonas talks about Tesla, and he says, look, Tesla's going to put out, this one-piece car. They're going to mold the whole car in one piece. They're not going to put anything together. All these legacy companies can't do that. They won't do that because they have to rip apart all the stuff that worked before for them. And unless you get some new kid coming out that's 21 years old that has the balls, to go and tell the CEO, what the hell are you doing? I don't care what what stuff you have now. Throw all that equipment away. It's worthless. And then the CEO goes, well, that equipment's worth $2 billion. I don't care. Get rid of it. It ain't worth a penny to me. And the CEO will take that young kid and throw him to the sidelines and say, you're fired. And then that kid will go work for Rivian or Lucid or Tesla, and he'll go make $50 million in 2 years off the stock, and then go tell that Ford guy, I'd go back to the Ford guy and say, I have more money than you. Interesting. And why he's not that intelligent. So just know that, okay? Very, very important. This is what Adam Jonas said is true. If you own legacy stuff, you will not do things. Most people will not do things because they own this other stuff. And that's why you got to spin it off or do something, okay? Today, watch NVIDIA, watch Amazon, watch Shop. Shop looks like it absolutely wants to open up 50. And watch Tesla. Everybody have a great trade day. See you in chat.